for the historical recipe of the coffee here. So
Here, if you here see this picture, made with the zats of coffee, it's about first Moldavian people who drink coffee. Because if you taste history like this, it was we have the Moldavian in the you see the monument, the great Moldavian king. Stephen the Great, he died 1504. In 059, his son, who was the king of Moldova, Bogdan III, said Logofet on Tautu. Logofet on Tautu, Logofet is in the Moldavian history the right hand, like counselor, like prime minister, like minister of foreign affairs. He sent to Istanbul to sign some documents with the eighth Sultan of the Ottoman Empire, Bayezid II. And then he was meeting with the Sultan. He was given a cup of black drink. You know what to do? He stand up and say to the health of the emperor and drink hot coffee like wine, like simple drink. It was more than 500 years ago because the first Italian people drink coffee only 1626. And now, because we are coffee house with a taste of history, we also prepare coffee also with a taste of history because we have Pushkin style coffee. Pushkin, the famous Russian poet, you see the monument. He was staying in Kishinev 1820 till 1823, and he started to write his famous Evgeny Onegin in Kishinev here, and in Odessa he writes such words like "Musulman в своем раю, с восточной гущей кофе," which means like Muslim in his paradise, I drink coffee with zats. And I started to find what the kind of coffee they drink at that time, and I find that 1823 in the St. Petersburg they drink Brazilian Arabica, which costs 70 rubles. But in Odessa and Kishinev they drink Lebanon Mocha, which was 2 times expensive, 34 rubles. It was mix of the Ethiopian and Yemen Lebanon Mocha with a mix of Ethiopian and Yemen coffee. And because I have a little roasting machine, Genet Cafe, some of coffee I roasted myself. I take Ethiopian coffee. Yemen coffee now is very expensive, like Husit is different, but we have 2 coffee in Brazil with the taste look like old Yemen coffee. And I mix this coffee, and we have Pushkin style coffee, maybe the taste of the beginning of the 19th century. Also, we have coffee Kishinev style, because in the interbellum period it's very popular to coffee with Vishnata. Vishnata is a cherry liqueur. And it was very popular, and every coffee house, they over recept of this liqueur. And also we have the Coffee Margilaman. It was very popular in the Romania, and in Chișinău, that was part of Romania in the interbellum period. It was coffee based on the room, because we have the history that Alexander Margriman was the prime minister of Romania. He go to the hunter, he was a good hunter, and his servant forgot water and prepared coffee on the basil room. And also it was we have many different recepts.
Yeah,
because
it's a good combination.
rum and coffee.
Yes, it's coffee.
Yeah.
With cherry liqueur?
No,
Never tried.
you would like to try?
With cherry liqueur?
I like the Kishinev with the cherry.
Kishinev.
Yeah.
It's separate.
Oh, and that was the Olympics that was an absolute shit show because America wouldn't go because of the Soviet Union had invaded Afghanistan. And a lot of other countries followed America by not taking part. And then China didn't take part, nothing to do with Afghanistan for some other reason I can't remember. But it was just a mess. Study obviously.
Yeah, because getting a visa.
Thank you.
Because people have
Trying
that-
to get a
that
tourist visa every time is a
cardamom.
nightmare because the Indian visa process is
I think it has got condensed milk at the bottom.
many pages.
Oh,
5.1.
it's very strong. You
You can
need
enter all the countries you've been to.
all of
Outside, yeah,
all of that
take
sugar.
that many times.
So then they always have to know all the history.